Welcome to Programming for Data Science with R. My name is Rajat and I will be your instructor for this course. I am a data scientist who is currently working with a consultancy. My areas of specialization are machine learning, predictive analytics, R programming, Python programming, and Tableau. Recently, I have also equipped myself with some deep learning specializations. I am a voracious reader and like to keep myself up to date with the latest developments in the field of data science. I'm also passionate about teaching data science and believe that the best way to learn is by sharing it with others. Data is everywhere and growing faster than ever before. It has now become a challenge to deal with such huge amount of data as it is highly time consuming. This has created a huge demand for people who can mine and interpret data. There is enormous value in data processing and analysis, and that is where a data scientist steps into the spotlight. This course will help candidates having basic knowledge of R programming elevate to the next level. R can be used to tease out actionable insights out of gigabytes of data, and this course will exactly show you how to do it. Here, we will be building on advanced and efficient ways of doing different parts of analytics, right from data cleaning, visualizing, to building high-performing models. You'll start your journey by loading the data, visualizing it, and interpreting it while providing intuitive solutions. Further, you will learn to apply machine learning algorithms to real-world problems in R. Here, we will first start by looking at the Data Science Toolkit R, where we will first understand what data science is. Then, we will look at a couple of use cases to understand the concept better. In the next section, we will look at some of the important libraries in R, namely Data Table and dplyr. Then, in the section 3, we will learn how to manipulate and clean the data in the most efficient manner. And in the next section, we will look at how we can build predictive models. And in the section 5, we will look at various techniques to boost our model. And we will also be looking at some machine learning techniques like logistic regressions, decision trees, support vector machines, and few others. In the section 6, we will learn the grammar of graphics, where we will see how we can visualize our data and how we can create beautiful charts in R. In the section 7, we will try to integrate all the different components that we have learned in the previous sections with the help of a use case. By the end of this course, you will learn how to tackle real-life data challenges by analyzing complex datasets. This in turn will bring out the insights that companies can convert into actions. The prerequisites for this course include basic R programming,